viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mim Sabrin. Welcome to my channel. Today I have created this smoky look with red lipstick. Hope you will enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. At first we have to start with our face preparation. Today I have used Avien Cosmetics Gold Lift Expert Eye Cream and Eucerin Even Brighter Night Cream. Now I am going to use this Bodyshop Tea Pore Minimiser Primer on my T-zone area. It will help me to get rid of my pores and excess oil. Now I am going to conceal my under eye area with Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Today I am going to use Makeup Revolution First Base Stick Foundation with my Sigma F8 Kabuki brush. Now I am going to highlight my under eye area with Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. At first I am going to use this brown shade on my crease area. Using Alix Avien Smoky Eye Pencil on my lid area. Now with a smudge brush, I am smudging it all over my lid. From Morphe 35O Shimmer palette, I am using this color. Now I am going to use this color. Now I am using OFRA X Naked Tutorial Everglow highlighter in my inner corner and brow bone area. Already I have done rest of my eye makeup and contour part. Now going to apply some blush. Now I am using Kona by Farnaz base powder in my under eye area. For highlighter I am going to use Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. I'm going to set my face with OFRA Makeup Fixer. Today I'm going to use Kona by Farnaz Liquid Matte Lip Gloss Passionate.